Welcome to the Amico Lights showroom. Today, we are going to show you how to install a Skyline overbed LED light. Let's get started. Here are the tools that will be required for your installation. As a safety precaution, please ensure the electrical breaker is shut off prior to any maintenance or installation work. Please note, mounting hardware shall be provided on-site by others, and Amico recommends the fixture be installed at a height of 6 feet above the finished floor. The hanging bracket may be installed prior to the fixture as shown during this installation. Using the hanging bracket as a template, mark at the 6 pilot holes on the mounting surface. The location pins must be in top position. For drywall mounting, use 3 16th-inch toggle bolts to secure the mounting plate. The 1/2-inch sized holes are required in the drywall. For wall stud mounting, we recommend using 10 by 1.5-inch Phillips panhead self-drilling tech screws. Once the hanging bracket is secure on the mounting surface, feed the wires into the fixture through the back opening. Next, remove the top lens. Then, remove the top cover by unscrewing the 2 1032 by 1/4 inch truss head screws to gain access to the wiring compartment. You may now attach the fixture to the hanging bracket via the bottom ledge. Next, make all the necessary wiring connections as per the wiring diagram provided. Then gently place wires into the wall cutout so the fixture may sit flush against the mounting surface. Flip the fixture into the upright position and secure with 3 number 10 hex lock nuts and 3 washers. Reattach the top cover and secure with the 2 1032 by 1/4 inch truss head screws. Finally, you may reattach the top lens and turn the electrical breaker back on. Test all the lighting functions to make sure the fixture is functioning properly. Your Skyline overbed LED light is now installed.